Designed for adventure, the Roam Copilot allows you to access maps, music, and more while you're on your ride. Whether you use a Samsung Galaxy or the latest iPhone, it offers a universal fit, held in place by a silicone net that stretches 4 times its size. With the most versatile clamp on the market, it's universally compatible with motorcycles, bicycles, or mountain bikes. 360-degree rotation means you can use your phone in both portrait and landscape mode. Hitting rough terrain? Our mount has 6 contact points firmly secured in place using a premium-grade silicone net, ensuring a reliable grip on your device. Safely secured at each corner, you'll face bumpy trails with total confidence. Crafted and constantly improved, the Roam Copilot is incredibly durable and has kept up with the active lifestyle of over 600,000 customers and counting. Ride with confidence wherever you dare to roam.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.